What if I told you that one single sentence could completely change your life? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what happened to me. One sentence, one moment, everything changed. My name is Ronnie and I'm from a small town in India. Today, I'm going to share something with you that most English teachers won't tell you. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't even need a teacher. I went from being scared to speak, to working in an English cafe, to having confident conversations with foreigners in just a few months. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. The techniques, the secrets, everything. But first, let me tell you about the day that changed everything. I am at the market with my sister. We are buying fruit. Nothing special. Then I see him, a foreign man. He looks lost, confused. He tries to speak to the shopkeeper, but the shopkeeper doesn't understand English. The man looks around and his eyes meet mine. My heart starts beating fast, really fast. He says, "Excuse me, do you speak English?" I'm scared. My hands are shaking. But something inside me says, "Try." I remember one sentence from school, just one. I say, "Yes, a little." He smiles. "Where is the nearest bus stop?" I know the place. I think of the words carefully. Go straight, turn left, bus stop is near the bank. He says, "Thank you very much." I say, "You are welcome." That's it, just two sentences. But in that moment, everything changed. I helped someone using English, me, and I felt proud, really proud. That one moment started my entire English journey, and today I am going to show you the exact methods I used. Section 1. The secret to speaking. Listen carefully. This is important. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. After that day at the market, I made a decision. I will learn more English. But I didn't buy expensive books. I didn't join expensive classes right away. I started simple. I watched English videos. I listened to English songs. I wrote new words in a notebook. I spoke English with my sister. We asked each other easy questions like, "What is your name?" and "How are you?" Then I found a local English class. My teacher said something that changed my thinking. He said, "You don't need to be perfect. Just speak. English is for communication. Don't worry about mistakes. Use English every day." This was the key. Stop waiting for perfect. Start speaking now. Section 2. The game-changing technique 4 to 5:30. Now, let me tell you about the technique that changed everything for me. It's called shadowing. Here's how it works. Find a short English video or audio. Listen carefully. Repeat exactly what they say. Try to copy their voice, their sounds, everything. I did this every single day, just 10 minutes. Before going to my cafe job, I would play a short interview on my phone, listen and repeat. Watch my mouth in the mirror. Practice the sounds. And you know what happened? People started saying, "Your English is very good." One customer said, "Your pronunciation is clear." This technique works because you're training your mouth to make new sounds. You're training your ears to hear English better. Pro tip: record yourself. Listen to your voice. Compare it with native speakers. Practice the hard words again and again. Section 3. Learn grammar without studying. Here's something shocking. I never studied grammar books, but I learnt grammar anyway. How? Simple. I read short stories. When I read stories, I saw how sentences work. I saw patterns. Like this: I walk my dog every day. Present. Yesterday I walked my dog. Past. I saw the difference. Walk, walked. I didn't study rules. I just saw examples. This is how babies learn. They don't study grammar. They listen, they see patterns, they copy. I also learned grammar from my work at the cafe. I heard customers say things like, "Can I have a coffee? Would you like sugar? Do you want this to go?" I heard these sentences again and again. My brain learned them automatically. The secret? Don't learn grammar rules. Learn grammar through reading, listening, and speaking. Read one short story every day. Notice the patterns. Your brain will learn automatically. Section 4. Practice speaking alone. But Ronnie, I have nobody to speak English with. I hear this all the time. And here's the truth. You don't need another person. You can practice alone. This is called self-talk. Here's what I do. Morning routine. Good morning. I am brushing my teeth. I am making breakfast. Today I will go to work. At work, this table is clean. I am making coffee. The customer is happy. Walking on the street, this is a car. That is a shop. The dog is running. I speak to myself everywhere, quietly, in English. Sounds crazy, maybe, but it works. I also stand in front of the mirror and tell stories about my day. Today I went to school, I learnt new words, I spoke to my friend, I feel happy. Your brain doesn't know the difference. When you speak, it's practice. It doesn't matter if someone is listening. Another trick, call a friend and speak English for just 10 minutes. Ask simple questions, answer, repeat. Section 5. The power of listening. My teacher said something powerful. If you want to speak well, you must listen a lot. So I started listening to English every single day. Morning, short English stories, 5 to 10 minutes. Walking to work, English podcasts. Before bed, English videos. At first, I didn't understand everything. That's okay. I kept listening. Each time I understood more. My ears got used to English. My brain learned the sounds. The listening routine. First time, just listen. Second time, try to understand. Third time, repeat after the speaker, shadowing. I listened to the same video 3-4 times, each time easier. And here's the magic. When I listened more, I could speak better. The words came to my mouth automatically. Start with 15 minutes a day. That's all. Your English will grow fast. Final section. My results and your action plan. So what happened to me? I got a job at an English cafe. I speak with customers every day. I made friends from different countries. I have confident conversations. All from that one sentence at the market. Yes, a little. Now, here's your action plan. Start today. Step 1. Speak your first sentence right now. Say, I am learning English out loud. Do it. Step 2. Find one short English video, listen, repeat. Do shadowing for 10 minutes. Step 3. Read one short story. Notice the grammar patterns. Step 4. Practice self-talk. Speak about your day, even if you're alone. Step 5. Listen to English for 15 minutes every day. Don't wait for perfect. Don't be shy. Don't give up. English is not just a subject. English is a way to connect, a way to open new doors. Remember this, your first sentence can change your life, just like it changed mine. So go ahead, speak, listen, practice every single day. You've got this.